A missing Walmart delivery item usually happens because the order was split across multiple bags, or the fulfillment center didn't scan an item correctly before dispatch, which is why the receipt can look complete, even when something is missing. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to report a missing Walmart delivery item, where to find the claim option, and what actually happens after you submit it so you get a replacement or a refund. First thing to understand is timing. Walmart tracks delivery issues through your order history, and the system only lets you report problems after the delivery is marked as completed. If you try too early, the option won't appear. Start by opening the Walmart app or website and going to your account. Tap Purchase History and select the order with the missing item. Once inside the order details, look for the option that says Report Issue or Help with Order. This is where Walmart handles missing, damaged, or incorrect items. Next, select the specific item that didn't arrive. Walmart separates issues by item, not just the whole order. This matters because you can report one missing product without affecting the rest of your delivery. Choose Missing Item and continue to the resolution screen. At this point, Walmart will usually give you two options, a refund or a replacement depending on item availability. For grocery and household items, refunds are the most common outcome. For some items, especially from stores with active inventory, a replacement may be offered instead. After you submit the claim, Walmart processes it through automated review first. Most simple cases are handled quickly without needing extra proof. If there's a pattern of repeated issues on the same account or order, it may go through additional verification, but that's not common for one-off missing items. If you don't see the Report Issue button, it usually means the order is too recent, or the app hasn't fully updated the delivery status. Logging out and back in or switching to the desktop site often makes the option appear. Another important detail is partial deliveries. Walmart sometimes splits orders across multiple drivers or fulfillment centers. Before reporting a missing item, always check your delivery details to confirm it wasn't scheduled in a separate drop-off window. To summarize, reporting a missing Walmart delivery item comes down to 3 steps: waiting until delivery is marked complete, selecting the item in your purchase history, and submitting a missing item claim through the Help menu. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple Walmart fixes that save you time and frustration.